Welcome to MTDCNC.
Welcome to EMO 2023. We're here on the Tezmaksan booth in front of a brand new product. But before we talk about that, who are Tezmaksan, please, Fico?
Yeah, hello. Tezmaksan is a group company. We have been doing business in the Turkey market for 42 years. We are selling CNC machines, universal machines, and now we are selling robot automation solutions with our own robot software. And Tezmaksan is the leader of the market for 42 years. We are selling 60 national and international brands all over the Turkey. We have more than 250 employees right now. We are a happy place to work, really good workers, good technical service network. We have many distribution centers like technical service networks, sales networks all over the Turkey. And Tezmaksan is a group company. Tezmaksan Robot Technologies is the newest member of the group who is making these units.
Absolutely.
We started to produce CubeBox Blues drawer and CubeBox Blues rotary table for loading and unloading robot automation systems. And this is our new product. And as Tezmaksan, we sold in these 42 years more than 16,000 CNC controlled machines, plus universal machines, plus lots of spare parts, plus technical service, and like that.
So over those 42 years, you obviously have a huge amount of experience in what the customers need to go along, what machinery your customers need to go alongside those CNC machines.
Yeah.
So why did you design a machine like this? What does it do, and is it the essence of those 42 years of experience?
Why we do this? Because Tezmaksan is also doing academy in Turkey. We pay very big attention to teach students, teachers of the sector. And also we saw that customer needs turnkey solutions. Customer needs something new. Just important sales is not the point. We need to produce something. We need to produce for both Turkey and for all over the world. And we saw that loading and unloading systems are very important. So we said that, okay, we can do it. We have knowledge, we have experience, and we have a very good staff. We have a very good team. So we started to do it. Right now we are building our own factory, which is 28,000 square meters closed area, total 50,000 square meters open area. And we are going to produce many different CNC machines also, but we started to produce with these ones. This is a pallet changer, pallet pool, we call it CubeBox pallet pool. Pallet pool has, it's a totally modular system. In this pallet pool, according to your customer needs, you can change how many pallet changer you want and how many tool changer you want. We have pallet pool, which you can use at machining centers. In this unit, we prepared it for EMO 2023, and this is with 18 pallet changer and 18 tool changer. But it's totally modular. If you want 30 pallet changer, you can make 30 pallet changer, 30 tool changer, it will be higher. So it's according to your needs, according to customer needs.
Absolutely. The world needs automation. Why have you chosen to have tool holders as well as work holding?
Because the system, the RoboCam Plus, the software is written by our own engineers. And we know the customer's needs, and we'll say that, okay, the customer, the ERP system is going to give the job to the machine, to the pallet pool, and pallet pool is going to do whatever the job comes to pallet pool without any operator for a very long time. For example, there are 15 different pallets. One pallet will take 4 hours, the other is going to be 2 hours. Okay, pallet pool will get the job, and from ERP system, and start to do it without an operator.
Okay, and it's really important for operators to be able to use the robot automation systems and change over between different jobs as easily as possible. How have you designed it so that operators can program the robot?
The operator is it's a totally user-friendly software. It's very easy to change from the software, program it, and the robot, the unit is going to do all of them itself.
Because normally with an automation system, it would be made for a high volume batch run, maybe 20,000 components. It's made just for that component. this is a different approach.
Yeah, exactly different. And also it's movable. You can move it with a forklift to another CNC, another place. It's also very easy. Installation is easy, training is easy, plug and play. It's totally user-friendly.
Perfect. So Tezmaksan with 42 years of CNC machining experience. Check out the pallet pool today.